Stu from Pier City Cycles, and for this year's show, the Bike Show 2023, we have brought the Marshall ApeBob for the custom competition. The design process, we work with BMW UK, utilising their accessories package and their relationship with Marshall to put together a unique blend of those accessories for the front and rear of the bike, as well as introducing the iconic gold and black of the Marshall brand. The custom parts on the bike, from the Motorrad bobber rear end to the Motorrad ape hangers, including the main custom part, which is the Marshall seat. We have PCC touches being a rough craft exhaust, fully cerakoted, and the R18 Icon Motorrad wheels, which have been refinished in black and gold to tick the Marshall box. The most iconic piece of the bike is the tank, which we worked with Valkyrie Paintworks to keep the OEM gold double pin around the tank, but we wanted to make a subtle nod to Marshall, so you can see that the Marshall logo is shadowed within the cheek of the tank, necessarily to be seen in the sun, but you can see it in the shade, but it's there to be hidden and an Easter egg of the build. The seat was one of the biggest challenges of the build. So the R18 bobber kit seat is quite a large piece and it's difficult to work with. However, our in-house upholsterer James from JKA done an excellent job of introducing all of the iconic features that Marshall bring, and to make the seat look like a little amp box on its own. So we have the amp box material over the top with an underlay of leather, which has been embroidered with the Marshall logo and the iconic Marshall white piping around the seat. And of course, to finish it off, James had the great idea of putting a Marshall amp strap on the back of the seat. So before he actually fitted the seat, it looked like he brought in a little Bluetooth speaker. So we think he nailed the brief. We're really pleased with it. Without the seat being the biggest challenge, aside from that, keeping everything subtle. We wanted to make sure that iconically it looked Marshall, but without doing everything contrasting black and gold. So to keep it on brand without going too much, I think was one of the other challenges of the build for sure. To get an opportunity to have a chat with the designers would be fantastic. I'd very much pick their brains and see what they have in line for the heritage range in the future, and whether they're going to change their focus towards custom or being able to keep things a little bit more bespoke. That would be very intriguing. I'd love to do that.